Persian Rug Cleaning Los Angeles by Naturally Green Cleaning. Persian Rug Cleaning Los Angeles is a company that specializes in rug and carpet cleaning. They use modern machines and techniques to make sure your rugs and carpets come out fresh and clean. Persian Rug Cleaning Los Angeles has been in business for over 30 years. Making them one of the most reputable and trusted rug and carpet cleaners in the region. Every rug must be cleaned at some point during its lifetime. Whether it's by a professional company or by the individual owner. Cleaning a Persian rug is more than just an average household chore. As these rugs are delicate and can easily be damaged if not taken care of properly. A typical lifespan of a Persian rug is between 20 and 40 years. But some rugs can last up to 100 years under the right circumstances. The experts at Persian Rug Cleaning Los Angeles know that it is essential to take care of your rug. After all, these one-of-a-kind pieces are often passed down from generation to generation. And can have a deep meaning for those who live with them. Rugs are delicate and should be cleaned by an expert with a high level of knowledge about what they can handle. Contact Naturally Green Cleaning, now 1-424-334-1966.